Hi, this is Ashish Kyal here. Welcome to the learning series. और आज हम बात करेंगे Bollinger Bands and market के बारे में. How to look at Bollinger Bands and what is the key support and resistance level that is acting on the market right now. So let me very quickly share across the slide. Just give me 1 second. Here I am. So this is Ashish Kyal here from Wave Strategy Advisors, and let me just move on to the next slide. And as you can clearly see, Bollinger Bands is a very powerful method that can be used in order to understand the range of the market. If you keep an eye on, currently the market is moving in a range. अगर आप निफ्टी को देखोगे, बहुत टाइम से, since quite some time, markets have not gone anywhere but stuck in a range. So what is the way to identify crucial support and resistance level when the markets are in a range? सपोर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? जहां पर प्राइसेस जाता है एंड बाउंस बैक करता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सपोर्ट. रेजिस्टेंस मींस व्हेन प्राइसेस गो टू द रेजिस्टेंस इट रिवर्सेस बैक ऑन द डाउन साइड. It's a very simple indicator but very informative. It can also provide you with a trading signal, like when the trend is about to emerge. It can give you a very clear bifurcation that when is the trend going to emerge. Now that is very important information if you want to follow the trend, if you want to ride the trend, if you want to buy stocks. It's important for you to know when the market is giving a breakout, जिसे हम कहते हैं breakout. So if market closes above the resistance level, we call it as a breakout, and Bollinger Bands can help you do that. So and as I said, it's a simple and powerful trades. It can provide simple and powerful trade setup. Let us now look it on the chart to understand it clearly. Now this is a Nifty daily chart that you can see it here. If you are able to see the chart, you will be able to understand that prices have been finding the support at the lower end of the band. So focus on the area over here on the latest chart. If you focus on the latest chart, you will see that the lower end of the band is horizontal, which means it has gone flat. Also the upper end of the band is horizontal, which is gone flat. What are the levels this band is showing? 15,624 जो आप रेड में देख पा रहे, that is 15,624, that is the support. 15,948 is the resistance. So prices are moving between the support and the resistance level, and this band, if you want to know how is it plotted, जो ये सेंटर में आप लाइन देख रहे हैं, which is a blue color line, that line is known as a moving average. Upper end of the band is 2 standard deviation from the moving average. Lower end of the band is 2 standard deviation below the moving average. You don't really have to worry about how to plot it because this is there on any software and every software. So you have to ensure that you look at this band. So by looking at this, I can clearly say a breakout on Nifty will come if we see a close above 15,950 as per this band right now, and or we see a close below 15,620 levels. So this is a very simple way of looking at the market, and until then you can trade within the range bound movement of this market by buying near the support and selling near the resistance. This is Ashish Kyal signing off, and very quickly, this is the disclaimer. We are SEBI registered research analysts, and this is disclaimer. This session is purely for information and educational purpose only, and all views are personal. OCL or Wave Strategy is not liable for the same. Thank you very much. These are the contact details. Ashish Kyal signing off. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.